Today, my friend and I are going to review Brut, the classic Splash-On Cologne. Of course, this is not to be confused. There is the aftershave and there's also the cologne. This is a cologne right here. It says Brut, long-lasting fragrance. Is this false marketing? A lot of people say this smells like an old man and they don't like it, and I feel like they're tripping.
I'm not gonna lie, when I see this like at the store like Walmart or like H-E-B, I'll like usually when I'm like shopping for like my shaving products and like razors, I'll see it and I'll just like very quickly like take off the cap and take a whiff, because it's just like it's so nostalgic. It's good. It makes me feel good.
It smells nice.
Yeah.
It puts a smile on my face.
Yeah. I don't understand. I didn't even know there was haters on for this cologne.
It's underrated. It's underrated.
It is.
For sure.
They're tripping, dude.
We're looking at reactions from people online and we're not agreeing with them. Like, for example, this one on Reddit, Brut is disappointing. The smell is clean yet underwhelming.
It's very cheap. It's only about $8 at like a lot of stores that we've seen. I don't understand why people are like, oh my God, it's not, it doesn't project enough. It doesn't last long. It's like, well, yeah, it's like $8. I mean, for what it is, for the scent, it's nice. It smells nice. I mean, I don't know how you can hate on this. It's cheap. It smells nice for the time that it usually lasts, which is about a couple hours. It just lifts the mood if you like minty kind of smells.
According to Fragrantica, this has a lot of notes, so it's kind of complex. So I'll just put it like right here.
It smells very like minty. But when you put it on your skin, like the scent you get after like you splash it on is very like rejuvenating. Like you feel like reborn.
Even though I don't see mint on the official formulation for the notes on Fragrantica, I'm pretty sure it has it somewhere in there, because the original formulation had mint. Even if it doesn't have the note in there, it's in there. You know, or at least you're trying to recreate it with other notes.
Yeah.
This is a classic barbershop smell, but it doesn't smell like a typical fresh, clean fragrance from nowadays. At least I know that even though this was a classic back then, I think no one uses it nowadays. I kid you not, most people that used to wear this are dead right now. so I don't think this is a common scent anymore, even though it's available for super cheap at your local supermarket. I've seen it go for around like $6 to $15, depending on the size of the bottle and how many containers come in one pack, right? If you start using Brut, you're gonna smell pretty unique. There isn't gonna be that many people that recognize what you're wearing, and the people who are gonna recognize it, like, are they truly gonna dislike it? Or are they gonna be like, yeah, you smell like an old man? like I don't think that's gonna be the case.
Yeah, I doubt that. It doesn't smell like gross. It doesn't smell like, oh, this is what the old heads wear. It's like it's nice. It's just like I don't see the hate. I guess people just don't like kind of a more old-fashioned scent for whatever reason. They want to smell like Dior Sauvage all the time or whatever.
But even then, I feel like for the price, for the quality of the scent itself, I feel like it's really worth it. You can freaking like splash this on everywhere and it's gonna project for at least like 1 hour, like a good amount. Because I remember when my grandpa used to come out of the shower, just like, I don't know how much he used to splash on. Like he used to take me and my cousins to 7-Eleven to get like donuts or any kind of like trash food that we wanted. The whole way there, the only thing I would smell was Brut, and it smelled pretty nice.
Yeah.
So I think for the price, you can use it for the daily, and you can overspray it. You can overuse it, and you'll be fine, because it's not something that's gonna attack your nose. It actually smells pretty nice.
Yeah. So my father actually wouldn't use Brut, but he would use another fragrance very similar called Aqua Velva Blue. But I remember back in the day when I was a kid, he would shave pretty often, and he would use that Aqua Velva aftershave, and the Brut reminds me of those days of when my dad used.
Would you say it smells similar to that one?
A little bit, yeah. It has like that barbershop scent.
So it's like on the same vibe.
It has the same exact vibe.
But would you say it's the same scent?
Not exactly the same scent. No.
Just on the same vibe.
The same vibe.
Hey, it's Scent Cowboy, media editing here, and I just wanted to pause the video to ask you to subscribe if you haven't already, so I can continue making high quality videos for you.
Would you say you could like layer it with like an actual spray fragrance? Do you think it's possible to layer it?
Yeah, I feel like layering is possible. I'm not someone that's too knowledgeable on layering fragrances. I haven't done it. I feel like it's something that's really fun to do and it's like experimenting. I respect the people that do it. but yeah, I mean, I feel like all scents are open to being layered upon, including this one. And I feel like this is a really good one to do it too, because I mean, it's cheap and it also smells pretty nice.
I mean, I might be a little biased because I really like mint. It stands out. It's cheap. It's a good option.
I do have to say, this is not a scent I would recommend to someone who's like 15 years old. I would recommend it to someone who's in their 20s and above, because it definitely smells a little bit more mature.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't smell like something I would imagine a high schooler wearing on a party or something.
Yeah,
you know?
no, not a scent that you a younger like a teenage person would be using. This is definitely like you already have like a full-time job. Even like I could see a lot of like blue collar workers like kind of having a good use for this. It has that characteristic of like
the aura of a man.
Yeah, the aura of like a blue collar hardworking man.
Like a real man.
A real man, yeah.
Yeah, I see. At the end, what's your final recommendation?
I think Brut and like the Aqua Velva that I mentioned before, this like family of like splash-on inexpensive fragrances, I would recommend if you're on a budget but you still are looking to kind of smell good and feel like refreshed in the morning. I highly recommend these fragrances and Brut. Yeah, they're cheap, they're super easy to find, and it's a classic scent. You can't really go wrong with it.
Yeah, I have the same opinion. They're cheap and they smell really clean. And of course, as I said before, I feel like nowadays, because not many people use it, it's gonna be a very unique scent for you to wear. I don't think people are gonna come up to you and be like, oh, you smell like an old man. Okay, so we wanna know, have you tried this fragrance before and what do you think of this classic? Let us know in the comments below, and of course, as always, if you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next one.